Come test drive this 2010 Chevrolet Silverado 1500. It features an automatic transmission, rear-wheel drive, and a refined 6-cylinder engine. Chevrolet prioritized comfort and style by including delay-off headlights, variably intermittent wipers, a rear step bumper, and much more. Audio features include an AM/FM radio and 4 well-positioned speakers. Chevrolet ensures the safety and security of its passengers with equipment such as dual front impact airbags, front and side impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and ABS brakes. Electronic stability control stands out as a technologically savvy innovation, keeping you better connected to the road. It also arrives with a Carfax history report, indicating just one previous owner. Stop by our dealership or give us a call for more information.